let's just get behind the scenes.
I can't keep my eyes still.
Hey guys, so I'm out here at the Christmas tree place, getting ready to pick a Christmas tree. Well, not really do a Christmas tree, but like do my intro, guys. So guys, I'm currently at the Christmas tree place to pick out the perfect tree. I'm glad you all are on this journey with me. Let's find our perfect tree. So guys, I think I found the perfect tree. I think I know the tree I'm going home with. How about you all just wait and see the tree when I get home? Let's just do that. And I am so excited. So guess what? Y'all about to see this new intro. Let's get into it.